Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to tip automatically on the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that every ride, you just want there to be a tip automatically applied. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Next, scroll down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now, this is the really important step, guys. Once you're on the Settings page, you want to scroll down and you want to click on Tip Automatically. Once you do so, you're going to see that there's a toggle button where it says Turn on Auto Tipping. Go ahead and toggle this on. And you can set the percentage amount of what you want to automatically tip. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and tip automatically on Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.